Every move price makes has a target. It's not random, it's not noise, it's going somewhere specific. And once you understand what that target is and why, you stop being surprised by where the market moves. Welcome back. Today we're talking about ERL, External Range Liquidity, and liquidity pools. This is the concept that explains why price moves where it moves. I'll be walking through real examples on PU Prime's WebTrader so you can see these levels on a live chart. So let's get into it. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So here we are on the PU Prime WebTrader. So we're going to use their chart and we're going to jump in to start drawing out some ERLs. Now, in trading, liquidity refers to orders sitting in the market waiting to be filled. The more orders at a level, the more liquidity there is there, and the market, specifically the large institutions and banks driving price, needs liquidity to execute their positions. They need someone to buy when they're selling and someone to sell when they're buying. Liquidity pools gather at obvious levels, swing highs and swing lows. Previous day highs and lows, right? Round numbers. These are the levels where retail traders place their stop losses and pending orders. And that concentration of orders is exactly what institutions are looking for. Now, external range liquidity, ERLs, right, refers to the liquidity that sits outside the current range of price movement. The swing high above price where a cluster of stops are sitting. The swing low below price where another cluster sits. Those are the targets, right? Price moves towards them because that's where the liquidity is. And the market needs that liquidity to facilitate large trades. You've seen this before, right? Price pushes up to a swing high, spikes through it, takes out the stops, and then immediately reverses. That spike through the level is the sweep, right? The institution has collected the liquidity it needed, and now it reverses price in the direction it actually wants to go. So what looks like a false breakout to most traders is actually the market doing exactly what it intended. So start identifying the obvious swing highs and lows on your chart. Those are your levels, the external liquidity targets. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. When price is below a swing high, right, there's a reasonable chance it will push towards it at some point. When it sweeps a level and reverses, you now have context for a potential trade in the opposite direction. You're not predicting, right? You're reading where the market was likely to go and watching for the reaction when it gets there. Now, liquidity pools build at obvious levels, right? Swing highs and lows, previous day levels, round numbers, right? Price moves towards these levels because institutions need the orders sitting there. The sweep, price spiking through a level and then reversing, is the market collecting that liquidity. Once the sweep happens, the reversal also follows, and that's a trade opportunity. Now, understanding ERL is one thing, right? Having a platform where you can clearly mark these levels and monitor how price reacts to them is what makes it practical, right? On PU Prime's WebTrader, you can mark your ERL levels directly on the chart and leave them there as price develops throughout the week. You're not redrawing from scratch every morning. Your levels are saved, your context is maintained. Now, PU Prime are running a World Cup trading competition right now, and this is a big one. I'll leave all the details in the description below, but if you're looking for a reason to get your account set up and active, This is it. Go check it out. And on top of the World Cup promo, PU Prime have a few things worth knowing about if you're just getting started, because learning market structure is step one, but you need the right platform to practice it on. The community page on PU Prime is also worth mentioning here, right? There are traders sharing analysis, discussing levels, and talking through setups, right? And when you're learning to identify ERL, seeing how other traders are marking the same charts is genuinely useful for developing your eye. The World Cup promo is still live on PU Prime as well, so all the details are in the description. It's worth checking out if you haven't already. The link is in the description, so go mark some ERL levels on your chart tonight. Price has targets. Those targets are the liquidity pools sitting at obvious levels: swing highs, swing lows, previous day levels. Understand where the liquidity is and you understand where price is trying to go. Open up PU Prime, pick a pair and start marking your ERL levels. You'll never look at a chart the same way again. The link is in the description. So next video, candle strength, how to read individual candles to understand who's actually in control, buyers or sellers. See you there.